Hello, my gardeners. This is Dory from Virginia, and I went shopping yesterday and found this fruit that I never seen before. Some of you might have seen it. It's called a Canary Melon. I guess you can see that. Never heard of it. And this fruit was $3.98. So I decided to buy it just to try it and see if it tastes yummy. And if it does, I will save those seeds and I will grow them. And that will be in the next video. So I'm going to see what we got here. I'm not even sure if I'm cutting it right. If I can cut it this way or the long way. But I already started there. So let's see what we got inside. And then I'm going to try it and see if I like it. And if I like it, I will grow it. If I don't like it, I will not grow it. And there we have some seeds. Look just like cantaloupe seeds. See that? So, I'm going to scrape these seeds into this little paper bowl here. It comes out fairly easy. There we go. And I got a few left in there, not too many. There. Oops, there's some more. Okay, and there we have it. Now we'll taste the melon and see if it tastes good. I let it sit out because I don't like my fruit cold. I like it to be almost room temperature. That way it's cool, but I get the full flavor. Tastes good. Could be a little bit sweeter. Tastes just like a cantaloupe or a honeydew. I'll probably eat this whole one. It is good. And it's juicy. It does taste pretty good. So, I'll put that one over there. That's all the seeds I pulled out of it. Added 1/2. I still got a whole bunch more seeds. If anybody wants some seeds, because there's no way I can plant all of these, just let me know and I'll send you some. Or you can find a canary fruit maybe at your local grocery store. If not, I'd be happy to send you some of these seeds. Because Lord knows there's way too many of them. And that's pretty much the end of this video. Just wanted to show you this fruit that I got that I never heard of. But I will be planting these seeds and we'll be doing an update. And that's all the seeds in there with all this stuff. That's a lot of seeds, ain't it? And still plenty more in there. No, it's over 100 seeds, which I know I ain't gonna plant. But anyway, and that's it for the fruit. Remember, it's called the Canary Melon. It's dripping because it's juicy. And that's it, guys. So, happy gardening to all. Y'all have a great day. Enjoy your weekend. And I'll do another video when I start planting these seeds. I gotta clean them up, let them dry, and then I'm gonna plant them up in some little pots. So, y'all have a great day. Bye.